Want to create this animation on CapCut? All you want to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open CapCut on your laptop or PC. Now click on the Create Project option or open your existing project. Then click on the Stickers option at the top. Now click on the Charts option over here. Then from these options select Progress Donut Chart. Once you have selected it, click on the Settings icon. From here you can create a title. You can also change the font and font style if you want that. If you want to change the data selection, you can do that from here as well. You can toggle on the legend option if you want and select your preferred option. Next, you can head over to the Style and Animation section. From here, select your preferred theme. You can also change the style from here. You can adjust different options from here such as radius, spacing, and founded corner. If you want to change colors, you can change the theme colors from here. You can also adjust the background. Now, click on the Data section and from here you can enter the data format requirements. You can enter the type and value from here. Once you're happy with the result, click on Add to Timeline option. Now, if there's anything else you want to do, you can complete the editing process from here. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.